Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and today we are breaking down the Palms and Ferns paper pad from Die Cuts with a View. I'm really excited about this one. I don't have a ton of green in my paper collection, and so when I saw this paper pad, I was like, yes, this is what I need. I do have a lot of photos that I scrapbook that are outdoors, and I think this will be just perfect. Plus, I also go to the zoo quite often, and so the whole palm fronds jungle kind of thing fits, I think. So let me show you how I paired these up. Now, this particular paper pad doesn't have a ton of multicolored pages. Rather, there's a lot of green and then there's black. And you all know how much I like to add black or add contrast, so I think this is just right up my alley. The first kit is inspired by this watercolor splotches paper. It is a multicolored. I paired it with this light peach geometric. It has an elongated hexagon on there. I also paired it with this watercolor striped paper in the blue-green that's in here. Really like that one. Second sheet of that multicolored splotch, I paired it with this hash-lined dark green. Really like that. I threw in this geometric in black just to add some fun. I would probably use this in very small amounts, probably like a border or something like that, because overall the pattern is a little bit much. I also paired it with this foiled frond paper. It's a white, or it's a gold foil on white, and I'm thinking I could probably trim these out maybe as embellishments or add them as some sort of accent strip or something. I struggled the most, I think, with this paper. This is a multi-green piece of cardstock. I paired that with that same blue-green stripe. I really like how that looks. And then I also paired it with this black splotch. Now, ideally, I would rather have this be a little bit more solid black. This has got a little too much white in there for my taste, but I'm thinking I could probably use it as like a matte or for layering underneath my photos or embellishments. Mostly it's these two that I picked. This was a throw-in just to see if I could make it work. And that is the back side. I really love this piece of paper. I just think it's so pretty. It's all different types of leaves and fronds. I paired that with this hexagon tone-on-tone green print. I like the geometric with the floral. And then I also threw in a black with a random uneven stripe. I think this one's probably one of my favorite kits. So for this one, another really pretty frond paper. That's that dark green hashtag and then the black stripe. There are cut-aparts in this paper pad, so I put that in this particular kit. I paired it with that really pretty foliage paper. Now there's none of this peach in this paper, but there is peach in here. So I thought I would pair it just to make it work. And then I have that black stripe again. So these two work really great. And I think if I use the cards, I can make this all work together. Another of the cut-aparts, and this time I paired it with this really small floral, I guess. It looks like it's a bunch of vines with a little bit of flowers on there. I paired that with the peach. Now this one I do like the peach with. It lightens this up. And then I threw in a black and white stripe. I like this kit too. Here's that big frond paper again. I paired that with this mandala geometric dark green. And then to lighten it up a little bit, I threw in this marble paper, which would be great either as a background or as a matting layer. Here is that small floral vine paper. I paired that with the peach diamond geometric. It's kind of got like a starburst coming out of it. I really like that. And then that white and black stripe. this is very similar to the black vine and small floral, only it's on a white background. I paired that with the dark green mandala geometric kind of thing. Again, the contrast on that is really great. But I also threw in this black stripe. The green and the black are very dark, but I think that offsets with the white really well. So if I wanted to do something like that, I think I could get away with it. Now the black stripe is foiled, so again, I would probably use this in small quantities. It does make a great little border strip or a mat. And then that's the back side. The last kit is this really large leaf print, which I paired with that same marble again, and this really pretty green geometric. This has got that elongated hexagon. Really like this one. So that is it for the Palms and Ferns paper pad. I'm really excited to use this one. Like I said, I don't have a lot of green, especially in these vibrant colors, so I'm really excited to play with it. Thanks again, everyone, and until next time, happy crafting.